Iceland, a land of stark contrasts and breathtaking landscapes, is renowned for its majestic mountains. Rising from volcanic plains, these peaks pierce the sky, their silhouettes defining the horizon. Capped with snow and carved by glaciers, they stand as silent guardians, bearing witness to the island's dramatic geological history. More than just geographical features, these mountains are deeply woven into the fabric of Icelandic culture, their presence felt in folklore and everyday life. These mountains are not just beautiful, they are a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. They are home to unique flora and fauna, adapted to survive in this challenging environment. And they attract adventurers and nature lovers from all corners of the globe, eager to experience their raw beauty. Iceland's mountains are relatively young in geological terms, a consequence of the island's location on the mid-Atlantic ridge. This ridge marks the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, which are slowly moving apart. As these plates drift, magma rises from the Earth's mantle, creating new crust and building Iceland's volcanic landscape. Eruptions, both explosive and diffusive, have shaped these mountains over millions of years. Layers of solidified lava, ash, and volcanic debris form their distinctive profiles. Glaciers, too, have played a crucial role, carving deep valleys and fjords, leaving behind a landscape of rugged beauty. Some mountains still bear active volcanoes, their slopes marked by steaming vents and hot springs, a constant reminder of the fiery forces at work beneath the surface. Despite the harsh conditions, Iceland's mountains teem with life, showcasing the resilience of nature. Hardy plant species like Arctic thyme, moss campion, and dwarf birch cling to the rocky slopes, adding splashes of color to the landscape. These plants have adapted to survive long, cold winters and short growing seasons, their roots finding purchase in the thin volcanic soil. Animals, too, have made these mountains their home. Arctic foxes, with their thick white coats, roam the highlands, hunting for small rodents and birds. Reindeer, introduced in the 18th century, graze on the sparse vegetation, their hooves navigating the rocky terrain with ease. Bird life is abundant, with species like the gerfalcon, the national bird of Iceland, soaring through the skies above. Section 4. Icelandic culture, intertwined with mountains. The mountains are not merely a backdrop to Icelandic life, they are deeply ingrained in the nation's culture and identity. For centuries, these peaks have inspired artists, writers, and musicians, their presence woven into countless sagas, poems, and songs. They are often depicted as the dwelling places of trolls, giants, and other mythical creatures, adding an element of magic and mystery to the landscape. Even today, Icelanders feel a strong connection to their mountains. Hiking and camping are popular pastimes, allowing people to connect with nature and experience the solitude and grandeur of these peaks. Traditional practices, like sheep roundups in the fall, see farmers venturing into the highlands, their knowledge of the terrain passed down through generations. Section 5. A global magnet for adventure and beauty. Iceland's mountains have become a global destination for adventurers and nature lovers. Hikers and climbers are drawn to the challenge of scaling their heights, rewarded with breathtaking views from the summits. Photographers flock to capture the ethereal beauty of the landscape, from the dramatic peaks to the cascading waterfalls that plunge from their heights. The opportunity to witness the northern lights dancing across the night sky adds to the allure. Whether exploring on foot, by horseback, or by 4x4, visitors are captivated by the raw beauty and untouched wilderness of these mountains. The chance to experience such a pristine environment, far from the crowds and noise of modern life, is a powerful draw for many. Section 6. Guardians of Iceland's identity. In a world increasingly shaped by human activity, Iceland's mountains stand as powerful symbols of nature's enduring power and beauty. They are a testament to the geological forces that have shaped our planet, a refuge for unique flora and fauna, and a source of inspiration for artists and adventurers alike. But perhaps most importantly, they are guardians of Iceland's identity, their presence woven into the very fabric of the nation's culture and soul. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, these majestic peaks remind us of the importance of preserving our natural world, both for ourselves and for generations to come.